Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a boy named Jack and a girl named Emma. They were the best of friends, always playing together and exploring the beautiful forests that surrounded their homes. One sunny day, as they were wandering through the forest, they stumbled upon an old, mysterious tree with a hollow trunk. Inside, they found a sparkling bracelet with colorful beads. It was no ordinary bracelet, it was a magic friendship bracelet. When they put it on, a warm, glowing light enveloped them, and they felt an unbreakable bond between them. The two friends decided to use the magic bracelet wisely, promising to always be there for each other. They set off on countless adventures together, their friendship growing stronger with each passing day. As the years went by, Jack and Emma faced challenges together, like the time Emma's pet bunny ran away, and Jack helped her find it. They also had their share of disagreements, but the bracelet helped them quickly forgive and forget. One sad day, Jack's family had to move to a new town because of his dad's job. Emma was heartbroken. She didn't want her best friend to go, and Jack felt the same way. Before leaving, Jack gave Emma a special gift, a pendant with half of the magic bracelet attached to it. He kept the other half, so they would always have a piece of each other. The days without Jack were tough for Emma. She missed her friend terribly, but whenever she touched her pendant, she could feel Jack's presence and knew he was thinking of her too. Months passed, and one day, Emma received a letter from Jack. His family was returning to their old village. Emma was overjoyed. She couldn't wait to see her friend again. When Jack returned, they were inseparable once more. They laughed, played, and shared stories of their time apart, but the best part was that the magic friendship bracelet still glowed as brightly as ever. The magic of their friendship had never faded, and they knew that no matter where life took them, they would always be connected by the special bond they shared. And so, the boy and girl learned that true friendship could withstand distance and time. With their magical friendship bracelet, they lived happily ever after, knowing that their bond was unbreakable.